What is up, everybody? Got an awesome new case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it also will come in the regular Pro as well. And this one comes to you from one of my favorite case companies, Torras. These guys have been around a long time in the iPhone case market. They're one of my favorite case companies. Love them, and it was one of my day-to-day uses on my 16 Pro Max. This is going to be their liquid silicone case. Really looking forward to what they bring on the 17 Pro Maxes. But let's go ahead and get into this, and thank you so much to Torras for sending over these cases. So here is the box, typical Torras boxing. They all pretty much look the same. You got your stand case there, a little bit about it on the back. Really doesn't change day to day for Torras casing. And then you can see on the bottom liquid silicone for the 6.9 inch iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Go ahead and just pop in the top there and pulling that out. Here you go. And it does come in, this little plastic, little bit of paperwork for the case, tossing that to the side. And then in there, nice little plastic sleeve, and taking that out. Here you go. You can see it is in this little opaque orange or off orange color, and it does have their typical Torras stand, which is always nice and appreciated, because having these around when you're just at a table, just want to prop your phone up to watch video or do anything, having a stand like this is so important and so easy to use because it just sits in the case nice and flush, and then you can pop it out and set your phone down, but we'll get into that in a little bit. But here is the color. It's a kind of, like I said, an off orangish color, kind of to match the 17 Pro Max, and we'll get it on there in a little bit after we take a look just at the outside of the case. So taking a look at the outside, you do have a little bit of branding there on the outside of the camera plateau. You do have their really nice MagSafe ring that is magnetic, and then kind of these little bumps on the edges gives it the back just a little bit more flavor and look, which is always appreciated. On the sides, huge appreciation for the fully integrated buttons for the power button, and then you do get your camera button in matching colors, so that is an excellent touch. On the inside, you have an extremely soft felt like feel on there, and you can see where that MagSafe ring is on the back, but this is extremely soft, so that is 100% going to protect the back of your iPhone 17s from Scratchgate, which is really good because everyone's phones are getting scratched because they are aluminum now and the paint is a little bit thinner. So on this case right here, you're not going to have to worry about that at all, or at least as much. And then on the other side, you do have your fully integrated action button and your up and down volume rockers right there. On the bottom, you do get your full cutouts for the speakers and a very generous USB-C hole. And you can kind of see, if I angle it right, it kind of dips in to give it a little bit more room. So that's always nice to see. Not going to need to worry about what size cable head you're putting in there. Let's go ahead to some pull testing. A little bit more pull on the sides, a little bit more pull near the camera button, but that's usual. The sides here are pretty good. I would say stiffer than most. On the top, a little pullier than most, I would say, but still not bad. And then on the bottom, especially near the USB-C port, you're going to get a fair bit of pulling, but on the sides next to the speaker ports, not much at all, and is pretty standard. So nothing bad about that. That's all pretty standard all the way around. And then you can see your camera plateau, which is actually kind of slanted inwards, which is nice. I haven't seen that on a case yet, and slanted on this side as well, and a little bit on the top you can see there, but that is going to give you full protection for your camera, so that's always great. And then you can kind of see, like on the bottom where it's integrated, it almost feels like almost looks like a cushion, but it's not. That's just part of the case, but it is kind of two separate pieces. All right, so let's go ahead and then get the iPhone 17 Pro Max into the new Torras case, bottom to top, and snap that in. Not a whole lot of snap, but fits in very nice and snug and secure that you can see it there, and it looks really, really good with the orange iPhone and kind of this off orange color. So really nice from Torras there, and I'm actually really digging the color of this case. All right, so let's take the walk around on the case. On the edges, you do get a lot of protection over the top here, and it is a really nice silicone and soft. So, you know, if you drop your phone on its front like that, you can kind of see like how much that really absorbed, and it kind of like bounce up instead of hitting really hard, but really nice there. You can see like that pulling, not gonna need to worry about anything with that. And then on the edges, you know, if you have a really nicely aligned screen protector there, it's not gonna bubble or push up, but it does come over maybe a tad bit more than some cases. You can kind of see the edge of the orange going there and where it goes over onto the edges of the screen itself. So as long as your screen protector is aligned properly, especially with one of the self-alignment ones where, you know, it takes the dust out and everything like that, you'll be really good to go there and no need to worry. I've been getting a lot of questions about screen protectors and how much they'll bubble up or get pushed if they're off aligned, but just align it right and get one of those and you'll be good to go. A top little cutout there for the speakers, that's always good. Going back to the pull on the bottom, I don't really foresee that being a problem, but if that bothers you, that is something to note there. And then on the sides, let's take a look at the buttons. Very nice and clicky on that side. And same thing over there for the power button. So I always appreciate fully integrated buttons, and this has that. So kudos to Torras for that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the camera plateau and how much that raises. So if we turn the phone over here and zoom in on that, you can see that it is raised a good amount over those camera lenses. So you're gonna get really nice protection there. And then on this side, you know, you do have that typical pretty large lip because it doesn't have the internal covering. So if you're worried about scratching the paint on your iPhone on the camera plateau, this one doesn't have anything to cover that. But to be honest, I don't worry about that at all. Maybe don't have your phone in the same pocket as your keys, and you're not gonna get really any typical scratching on that as well. And if you drop it, you're gonna get, you know, full protection because of these pretty large lips there. And then just jumping to the bottom of the case again, you have your fully cut out speakers, thumbs up to Torras there, and your very nicely aligned USB-C port with a ton of space for any cable. So 10 out of 10 there on the bottom. And your Torras O-ring stand. This is not one of the 360 ones, but they do have that option for some of the other cases. So if you put your phone down like that, it will sit perfectly there. Or if you want it horizontal to watch videos, you can do that. I would say it's nice having the 360-degree turn case because when you open this up and you can turn this, it does give you different angle options and kind of lets you set it at maybe a more flat angle, or is it vertical angle? I'm not totally sure which type of angle it is, but you can adjust it, which is nice, where just this ring will just give you that one angle option when horizontal. And then let's grab our handy dandy MagSafe ring for the test, and let's drop that on there. Very strong. You can kind of pull it off maybe a little easier, but it is magnetic. And then also, I mean, because this thing does have, you know, the ring that comes out, maybe this isn't going to be the most necessary MagSafe accessory, but for a wallet or anything like that, bounce test, maybe a little looser than the average, I would say. Still not bad. I wouldn't worry about a wallet or anything falling off of this case. You're going to be good there, but just maybe doesn't have the utmost MagSafe strength. But you also don't need to worry about MagSafe charging or wireless charging because this will allow pass-through. So if you stick it on a stand at night or anything like that, you will get wireless charging pass-through and be able to charge throughout the night and have no issues there. And then the overall just feel of this case, it is very grippy on the outsides and on the sides of the case. So just kind of holding it normal. You're not going to need to worry about the phone falling out of your hand or anything like that. It's not super bulky either. It maybe is a tad wider and thicker than other cases, but if you want good protection, that's just what's going to happen with your iPhone cases. So absolutely have no problem with the size of this case at all, and the look and feel of it are absolutely phenomenal, which is typical for Torras. So very nice from them. Overall ratings, going back to the look and feel, I'm going to give it a 9.7 out of 10. I'm going to give it a little bit of a knock just because I do wish this was a 360 stand, but you can go ahead and purchase one of those, so it's not a big knock. I actually really enjoy the sloping of the camera plateau edges here. Really gives it a nice look and feel. So 10 out of 10 on the camera plateau and 10 out of 10 on protection for this case. Buttons and everything going to be fantastic. Looking at the camera button here and just kind of going through, you know, very easy to use, 100% responsive. Definitely going to have absolutely zero issues using your camera button if you use it for anything more than just opening the camera. So 10 out of 10 integration there. It's flat along the top, maybe a tiny bit of an indent there just to keep your finger going in the right direction and kind of in that grooved spot, but that's kind of necessary. Absolutely no problem with that at all. Edge protection is, again, a 10 out of 10. Perfectly aligned, you know, screen protectors aren't going to have a problem there. And just overall drop protection going to be absolutely phenomenal. And then for pricing on this case, this one in particular does retail for $59.99, but it's always on sale on Amazon. Right now it's at $42.99, so maybe a bit pricier, but for the quality and protection you're going to be getting from this case, it's going to be phenomenal. Torras does offer different types of cases as well that all have the stand ring and pretty much their patented really great protection and look and feel on that. So you can find different things for different prices. I can't talk highly of Torras enough, but if you do want to purchase one of these or any other Torras case, I will have a link in the description below to Amazon that does help me out on the channel, and then a link to their website as well so you can check out all the information that you might need on this case. But overall, I'm going to give this case a 9.8 out of 10. Torras does it again every single year on their new iPhones. They come out with absolutely great cases. I can't wait to try out some of their other ones. They have a ton of different lines on the iPhone case, so you can kind of find which one is best for you, which I really enjoy. So go ahead, check out the description below if you want to pick one of these up, and go ahead and like the video if this helped you out at all. I really appreciate it, as it does help this channel reach other viewers like yourself that are looking for really good iPhone cases and products to go along those lines. And then subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all my newest iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and Air case videos and other accessories to come. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.